I'm Trevin Reese with Ready America. We are a family-owned company in business for over 30 years. I'm excited to share with you our newest line of emergency kits. We want you to be prepared for disasters, and the best way is with our elite emergency kits. Experts agree that emergency services may not be available for up to 2 weeks. So, with that in mind, get your one-person elite kit.
Contents include 1 food bar, 3,600 calorie, 5-year shelf life, U.S. Coast Guard approved. 9 pouches of water, 4.225 ounces, 5-year shelf life, U.S. Coast Guard approved. Potable aqua germicidal tablets, 50 count. 1 emergency power station, 4 function. 8-inch survival knife with compass and survival kit, matches, needle and thread, fishing line and hook. Heavy-duty multi-tool. Niosh N-95 approved dust mask. 1-liter water bottle. 33-piece first aid kit. 3 biohazard bags. Heavy-duty work gloves. Hygiene kit, basic. 3 wet naps. Wipes in soft dispenser. 12-hour light stick, green. 5-in-1 survival whistle. 10 yards of duct tape. A 25-foot cord. Emergency poncho. 1 beanie knit cap. Pocket tissue. Document pouch. 2 10-inch nitrile gloves. Emergency survival blanket. And a large elite backpack.
Lastly, you can register your backpack and receive a reminder to refresh your food and water. All Ready America backpacks are 100% guaranteed. Let's take the first step now to get prepared. Thanks for watching.